When creating content, people go after the trending topics. YouTubers love to see their videos going viral. Even the channels with billions of views go after the trends, or what they are creating becomes the new trends. You have to understand that clearly. There are daily, weekly, monthly and yearly trends. When a new president is elected, he becomes a trend for a few years. When a nice song is released, it is trending for a few weeks. When a natural disaster or a plane crash occur, it will be trending for a few days. Google Trends is useful in finding trends in Google search. I give you the YouTube trends in every category so that you can make your next video accordingly. I do a deep analysis on the trending videos every day. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell because I'm uploading a new video every day about the current trends. Please share your ideas in the comment section. Please don't blame me if your next video gets 1 million views. There are 4 lists in this video. Carefully watch how some YouTube searches have been trending for more than 10 straight years. If I get more subscribers and your opinions and comments, I will make the next video on weekly and daily trends, and will upload a video every day about the top searches on that day.